I really love my job and invest completely myself in my work. When I'm designing a building, I'm always looking for elegant way, for form and function to come together seamlessly. That's what makes my job exciting. Gen360 has removed all the barriers that I had before to manage with elevator shafts. And now I'm much more freedom to push the boundary, and my design are slicker, more elegant. And what's even better is that Otis Create turned my idea into detailed plans, aesthetical rendering with technical notice that I can use as a reference throughout the project execution. With Gen360, I can completely express myself, and my customer notice the difference.